Hi guys, welcome to Azar Abbasi ABC channel. In this video, I will teach you if your Wi-Fi is not connecting, how to fix it. I will completely guide. So don't skip video, watch full video. I will show you how to fix it. Here you go to setting and here change adapter option. Click on this. After clicking on this and click here disable Wi-Fi. Wait some second and enable it again. After enabling this again, your Wi-Fi will working 100 fully. So if your Wi-Fi problem fix after this video, watching this video, so like this video please and subscribe my channel. You can see here after doing this trick my Wi-Fi 100 fully working here. So if you have any problem in your Wi-Fi, comment me and tell me what's your problem. I will make new video on it. I will try to fix your problem inshallah.